We've arrived at Lake Manatee State Park just outside of Bradenton, Florida. Let's go check it out. Okay, this is a look at the Lake Manatee State Park map. And right now I'm in the picnic area, parked right in here. And so I'm going to take you down. First, I'm going to take you down and show you the day use area. Very nice day use area. And you have a nice view of the lake down here. There's a swimming beach. And I'm going to take you over here to where the boat ramp is, and there's a fishing dock there. And then we'll come over and check out the campground. They have an RV campground with 2 different camping loops, and I'll take you over there and show you the preferred sites. These are sites that I'd want to come back to camp in. That's what I usually show you, preferred sites. So let's get to it. So I'm standing in the parking area for the picnic area, day use area. And there's picnic tables strewn throughout here. There's a playground, there's a pavilion, there's restrooms. In the center of your screen down there, there's a swimming beach just beyond that. We're going to take a walk down in there and check it out. They have a paved trail that takes you down toward the restrooms and the swimming area. Melody and Milo have already started, so I'm going to catch up with them. So that's the direction I just came from. You can see they have a volleyball net set up, and these picnic tables come all the way down to where the lake is. This is those are the restrooms right there. And just beyond the restroom facility is the lake. Let's go down and check it out. No pets allowed in the swimming area, that's no surprise. The DeSoto Speedway is located across the road off of the main state route. It's about a mile up the road, but you can still hear those speedway cars in the distance every now and then. We have some park benches set up right here at the lakefront. And right next to the swimming beach, they have kayak and canoe rental. And you can put your kayak in right here. Here comes Melody and Milo. We're going to take a walk over to the fishing dock area. Here's a look at the boat ramp and fishing dock. You actually have 2 docks. There's one over there. Wow, this is pretty. Well, I guess this is more of a, you can hear those race cars over there. This is more of a mooring dock. Get you on and off your boat. But I suppose you could fish off here. I'll have to go back and look at the map and see if it identifies this dock as a fishing dock. It's a floating dock. I'm bouncing around right now. Okay, well, that is a look at Lake Manatee at Lake Manatee State Park. Let's go over and check out the campground. Here's a perspective from the other side of the dock. It sure is a beautiful day today. Okay, let's get over to the campground. Okay, well, I've just entered the first loop of the campground. let's go take a look and see what we have. Looks like the first campsite on the right hand side is the campground host. Right across from the campground host are a couple handicap parking spots, and the shower house and restroom facilities are right down there. There's no one in here, so let's take a look at the shower house and restrooms. The shower house has clean restrooms, several commodes, all well maintained, and the shower house is sparkling. You got places to sit. Very nice facility, well maintained. Site number 2 is a nice site. This is a handicap site. It's paved. Any size rig can get in there. You don't have any height restrictions to worry about. You have a paved trail right to the shower house and restroom facility. You have a paved seating area with picnic table and fire ring and grill. Let's see what kind of hookups we have. Okay, we're going to have water. I see 30 amp hookup. Okay, so this is site number 2. It is a handicap site. It has water and 30 amp electric service, no sewer. Going down the book for Lake Manatee State Park Campground in Florida. Here's another large site, site number 4 on the right hand side. You got some privacy in this site. Actually, nobody on your right and left. Pretty big site. There's a lot of space to the rear of the site. And there is the water hookup, and you have 30 amp electric, no sewer. And here's a look back from the rear of the site. This is site number 4 going down the book for Lake Manatee State Park. Site number 5 is another nice site. You can get your rig level. Going to have 30 amp and water hookup, and very nice site, very large. That gentleman surely had a big rig. Okay, this is site number 8. It's an attractive looking site. Get any size rig in there. You're going to have 30 amp electric service and water. And there's your picnic table and fire ring back to the left hand side there. They have a walkway that takes it down through the center of the campground. And off to the other side, this takes you out to the day use area where the lake is. Site number 12 is a gorgeous site. Look at that. Look at the scenery that comes with site number 12. There's your water hookup. Yeah, all these are going to be 30 amp electric service. No sewer. But wow, get a load of the scenery. I think that's my favorite site so far. Okay, folks, I think I'm sold on site number 12, going down the book for Lake Manatee State Park. You can get some pretty big rigs in these sites. There's a couple sites up on the right here we're going to check out, starting with site 19. Lake Manatee State Park is located, it's just outside of Bradenton, Florida. Probably less than 20 miles. That site's got a little bit of a slope to it, but boy, you got some scenery there. If you had a smaller camper, you could get your rig level there. But it's got a slant, so that's not going down in my book. Site 21. You got a lake view on site 21. That is a nice looking site. think we can safely say that that's going to be a keeper. I'm going to walk back in there, take a look. Okay folks, site 21 is a keeper, going down the book. Let's take a quick look at sites 31 through 60, and again, I'm only showing you the preferred campsites. Site number 36 is on the outer loop, and it will give you some shade and you don't have to worry about overhead clearance. That's a pretty nice looking site. And you're going to have the water hookup, 30 amp electric, no sewer. But that is the view from your sitting area. Site number 36, going down the book. Site number 41, also a nice looking site on the outer loop. And you have some shade to go with that side as well. And they have a dump station as you exit the campground. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.